In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build approval workflows in Freshservice. This process lets you route service requests, incidents, changes, or purchases to the right decision makers before any work proceeds, reducing delays and enforcing policy. First, log in with an administrator account. Only admins can create global workflows. From the left panel, open Admin, then find Workflow Automator. Depending on your layout, it may also be under Help Desk Productivity, then Workflow Automator. Click New Automator, then choose Create plus Workflow to open a blank canvas. Set up the trigger event that tells Freshservice when this workflow should run. Give the workflow a clear title that explains its purpose. Select the module you want to target. For example, service requests, incidents, changes, or purchase orders, so the automator knows what kind of record to watch. Pick the workflow type that fits. Most approvals are event-based, so they fire when a ticket is created or updated, but you can choose what's appropriate for your process. When those basic details look good, click Create. Now add the approval logic. On the canvas, drag action into the flow. From the action list, select Request for Approval. This block pauses the workflow and waits for a decision. Choose who must approve. You can name specific individual users, or you can select whole teams if the responsibility is shared. Use search to find the right stakeholders, and feel free to add more than one approver if policy requires it. Next, define how the decision is made. Choose everyone if all selected approvers must agree before the request moves forward. Choose anyone if a single approval is enough. Pick majority when you want more than half of the approvers to approve, and first responder when the very first decision, approve or reject, should finalize the outcome. Select the option that mirrors your organization's rule for this scenario. When you're satisfied, it's time to finish and activate. Click Save to store your work, then click Activate to turn the workflow on. From now on, whenever the trigger event occurs, the workflow will run automatically, send approval requests, track responses, and continue only when the approval rule is satisfied. Quick tip before you go. Use descriptive titles and test with a non-critical ticket to confirm notifications and outcomes behave as expected. If you ever need to adjust the setup later, you can edit it in the same automator area. Updates to the title, module, or approval settings take effect after you save and reactivate. That's it. You've built an approval workflow in Freshservice.